Yeah man people, back with again. A new poem. This one dedicate to all the man them. Last year the man them go through a lot in Jamaica, over the years man, the man always we men always get ourselves in a problem, man. And it's a poem called Fighting Our Inner Demon, cause most of the man them in Jamaica fight. An inner demon, spiritual fight, you don't know. It goes. This is no time to bash men, but to pray for them as we are fight our inner demon. People who not realize say the devil let loose. That's why the woman them a get killed and a get abused. The man them heart a get cold. Them not no love for woman, children, nor the old. People who not realize say the devil let loose. That's why the woman them and the children them a get killed and a get abused. Every man a go through them issue, them own inner demon. Down to all the pastor them. Enough of them a hide and a bury them pain through ganja, gun, and go-go club and the bar. People who not realize say the devil a let loose. That's why the poor pit them and the woman them a get killed and a get abused. When it come on to the needs of men, society always a get it confused. Them say all a man need is sex, psychiatric evaluation and therapy. But to me, we all need salvation. People who don't realize say the devil let loose. That's why the woman them a get killed and the children them a get abused. Tell us we man, we come like a walking, ticking time bomb. We can smile on the outside, but on the inside, there's a lot of things that go on. A lot of explosion are go on in the inside. People who don't realize say the devil let loose. That's why the woman them and the children them a get killed and a get abused. Me not support domestic violence against women, but this bag of chatting about equality and woman empowerment now go solve nothing. Full time now, if we stop, we men for stop allow the devil to lead us astray. Money, love, and lust lead we astray. People who don't realize that the devil let loose. That's why the poor woman and the children them are get abused. Let us as men look in to ourselves and try to find who God made us to be.